CP the Tool Addict. Woo! I got another tool haul for you. Let me get this thing squared up a little bit. Got another tool haul for you. I hope you're gonna like this. This is gonna be. It's a kit that I've been really excited about getting. I should have had this kit a long time ago. But anyways, I just want to say thank you guys to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Every one of you that joined the channel recently. I hope you're excited about it. I'm excited about stuff I do here. Things are always going to keep evolving here on the channel, so I'm definitely looking forward to doing more things eventually. As soon as it's not as cold. It's Iowa. And it's cold here. Negative, the high for today was like around 8 degrees. And then it'll get down to -5 tonight. We're going through a heck of a cold spell. So it's nasty, and I don't like being outside when it's cold. So I'm kind of scurrying in and out to do my stuff, and this is that and this and that. So anyways, nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and flip you around here, and we're gonna go ahead and take a peek at what I got for you today. Show you the toolkit, and if you haven't subscribed, you're gonna want to click that subscribe button right now and hit that like button because you're gonna enjoy this video a lot. Thanks a lot. Hold on. Alright, so here we go. We have the Lyle 69300, and once again, Lyle Corporation is right here in Iowa. Clarinda, Iowa is where Lyle's from. They're a great company, and they have been some of my biggest, in fact, I have the Lyle, this is the Lyle trim clip tool with a little rubber deal on it. I like this thing because I haven't used this yet. It's been just sitting here in the house because it's cold outside and I haven't took it outside to the toolbox. But you have this little rubber deal that just acts as a little lever. So it's kind of a different tool. So, you get to the point to where you can put this thing down or up or whatnot. Anyways, Lyle makes great stuff right here in America. This is actually an American-made kit too, 100%, which is really cool. And I'm going to open this thing up, and we're going to talk a little bit about this. So hopefully you guys stick around and listen to my spiel on this and tell you why I got this. Once again, Lyle's not a sponsor of the channel. This is all paid for by myself. I want you to understand that every time that I do most of these. But anyways, peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. Here we go. There it is. We have your Lyle Relay Tester Kit. And for the most part, you can take a look at this, and we have some of these 4-pin and 5-pin, 4-pin, oh, another 4-pin. Most of these are 4-pins right here. That's a 5-pin, but that's a Ford and Chrysler one. And another 5-pin, which is a G, what's this one, a GM? Yeah, these are GM. GM. And we have more GM, International, Kia plugs here. And then you have your standard 5-plug older ones. These are all 5 plugs here. Yep. 5-pin, 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 5-pin. We got 5-pin and 4-pin. For those of you guys that don't know, let me just give you a little education on most of your relays are all 4-pin or 5-pin. Okay. You do have some older stuff maybe that I think there was 3, but I don't have any 3-pin. Now, I'm going to tell you something else too. I have the relay tester kit that has the on-off switches on it. And it's nice kit, but this is going to be nicer to have if you're doing testing. And why I like this kit, for the simple fact is that it gives you, it keeps your relay in place, and now you can do testing off your open pins up here. You can add your leads into there, your multimeter, whatnot like that. That's definitely a big, huge advantage to this kit. And this should cover most of my stuff that I work on. There's not a lot of German stuff in here, which is fine. Completely fine. I don't think I have anything. I got a Nissan. This is a Nissan. I think Nissan still uses these for a fuel pump, if I remember correctly. And these are probably common on a lot of most makes of cars nowadays still. This kit's been around for a couple years. I want to say it's been out for probably close to a decade. So this isn't nothing that's a new tool, believe you me. I'm not showing you anything that's not been out there before. But it's a new tool to me. And it's a great tool. and it's probably one of Lyle's best tools. And what makes it really cool is we have stackable banana jack switches here, which is definitely going to be handy. And not only that, you have a fusible link here that actually helps protect circuits and whatnot. And then we have extension leads, so that way I can test out of the car. If I got the car on the hoist, I can put these extensions on, and I can extend those on the, or put the testers down on the, I can test from the relay down there. And then we have a ground lead and whatnot. This is a very complete kit. It has a lot of your different connectors, and it has your test ports in most of your connectors. These are the banana jack ones. I want to look at some of these and show you where these are banana jacks, banana jacks, banana jacks, banana jacks, banana jacks, banana jacks. So I think all these are, yeah, all these are banana jacks. All these are. So these are your test ports only. I haven't looked at all these leads yet, guys. I'll be honest with you. Just got the kit and just showing it to you guys. These are your test port ones, I know for sure, because I use these on my buddies all the time. These are cool. So what you would do is you would plug this end into your circuit, and then you can put this into there, and then run your test lead in there, or vice versa. You can put it in there. But these are really nice because they stick your probe or your tester from your multimeter, or from your meter down in there, and you can hook those up. We also have a split connector, but I like this. This is what's really cool about this kit, is I can have a stackable banana jack on here. Okay, I can have a stackable banana jack on this. What the heck? Come on here, little feller. Well, I'll be dipped. Are these not the same size banana jack adapters? Oh, they dipped. Oh, they must be only for the larger banana jack, for the stackable banana jacks. Yeah, so I would plug that into my stackable banana jacks. I didn't realize they did that. So we put the fusible link in here, which is the mail-in fusible link. Sorry about that goof up. Put that one in there. This is a stackable side. And then we have the plug-in side. You gotta put them in the male and female in. So now I can run a switch on a relay where I can actually control my relay. So like if I have a light, for instance, that I'm having issues with, then I can kind of run my circuit like that. You know, stacking them up, putting them on different stuff like that. It's going to be a very handy kit. This is kind of nice. I like this stackable banana jack lead or on-off switch here. It's going to be awesome for doing stuff, circuit testing, whatnot. And then, of course, the last thing we got here is the relay pliers, which you can buy these separate. And I will give you, because a lot of people say they don't want to buy the whole kit, and I don't know the part number, but I will put the part number down in the description. Lyle sells these relay pliers separate, and these are probably some of the most handiest. Got this whole thing messed up, but if you're grabbing relays out, these are definitely very handy, very good pliers. Why didn't they put the part number on these? Come on, fella. Let's see if they got relay puller pliers. This doesn't say up here neither. Well, I'll be dipped. So yeah, just a U.S. patent number. Always wear your Googles when you're looking at these, when you're using these things. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed that video today, and hope you like this Lyle Tools kit, and definitely hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.